How to link email in Rise of Kingdoms. Hi everybody, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily link an email in Rise of Kingdoms. First of all, launch open your Rise of Kingdoms game on your device, and once the city loads, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from the Governor Profile section, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Account. Now under the User Center, after you tap on Account, click on the link button right next to email address. Now go ahead and enter a valid email address you want to link and tap on the link button. Now, a verification code will be sent to you via your email inbox. Go open up your email inbox and you'll see an email from Rise of Kingdoms. Open it up and then type in the code that you received. You'll receive a 6-digit code inside your email, so type it in exactly as it appears, and then you have successfully linked an email address on Rise of Kingdoms. So that is how it's super easily done. Linking your email protects your account from loss, makes account recovery easier, allows login on new devices, and adds extra security. So that is how you easily link or add email in Rise of Kingdoms game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.